The ICFA University Meghalaya Admission Open 2024. The university offers program courses in the schools of management, humanities, social sciences, and science and technologies for both undergraduate and postgraduate programs, UG and PG programs. Full-time campus programs offered under the undergraduate programs are BBA, BCA, BCom, BTTM, BA, Economics, Political Science, English and Education. For PG programs are MBA, MCom, MTTM, MCA, MA, Political Science, English and Education, MA Khasi, MSW and MA Music. For further information and details, visit or contact the ICFA University Meghalaya Shillong campus, Powerville near Shillong Law College, Dhangati, Meghalaya. Phone number 0364 222 0057. 94851 58603 700-505-7728 8794-250646.
In response to the state government's ongoing refusal to address their demands, members of the All Meghalaya SSA Non-Teaching Staff Association began an indefinite peaceful sit-in at Malki Ground, Shillong on the 31st of July 2024. The association is advocating for a 50% salary increase, which they claim has been denied for the past 8 years. SORA MDC Tita Starwell Khan visited the protest site to express his support, promising to discuss their concerns with the relevant government authorities to seek a resolution.
Habang atip pagi dan ni kenika cingeki nak kalian keconga kum u we nak kinong mi khmat u bangaju be bangaju lej ban ai ke cingerap nak kinui nu ki cingeki la kalong kinui nu ki office dan kinong treru ngaju dan kat dengan simba kadi kajing kamram keconga kum nong mi khmat bangadai ban wani kendu ya ki nong kit kam jong kenika seng ban sungthu ya ka demand ke jongki ya ke tingdawa ke jongki Pat kabaar kalong ba nagaliang keconga ka bangala la kabor ya kabangan pensngau si sarkar magadai ban sngap ya kajing ut kajing nam jong kiniki nong trei ba kibawan ban ni hamadan ban yaki ban rawai ka hok jong ki namar ba ngilaju ina kapor ba kidon ki kenhun ki beki ban dawai ka hok jong ki ka sarkar ka jung sngap dengan sngau ba ban kentu ya ka sarkar kalong ba lada kajing yaki ka jong ki ni ki nong tre jong ka SA kalong ka basyong niya kalong ka ba day hok ka sokar ka di bansnaw kaniang ka jongaro nga sa bansnaw ya ka parti ka ba nga don ya kinong mi khmat ki minister ki badon ka sokar bakin sim khialem ya ka jingdawa jong ki
na sila kalian to bi we ni kinong alam ba ko kin pa control ani bin shlay kandu government you minister concern
ana kaliang ka jonga mantah ngami nang ni nganek ko sekretariat ada don minister ngan sa bansnaw ya ka nika jingdawa ka jong ki baki day ban sngap nama ban mailat ba kanika jingsyong ga jongki hangni kan continue namar lada ka yai beteng gani ka jingsyong hangni ka demonstration ga jongki.
Addressing the assembled SSA non-teaching staff, the president of the association, Jennifer Sunrem, announced that the state government had proposed a 25% salary increase, a compromise the association has decided to reject.
We have given 100% of our dedication, not 100, maybe more than that also a point of time, which we have to come today to put our requests to the government. As we know that we are also the government servants, we know how to follow the rules and regulation. We have to be very, since we are working in a particular organization where we have to, with our own roles, with our own values, with our own character and personality, we replace this to each and everyone, the children of the state. So for that reason, we want to sit in demonstration for a peaceful, so that the government could listen to our plea. We have some terms and condition to sit in this demonstration. All of you, those who have signed, I hope you have read the terms and condition. So I'll be reading here so that all of you would hear. Members are to be disciplined and sit in a peaceful manner. Members are not allowed to shout or write slogans against the government. Banner and placards should consist of the theme we demand for an enhancement of 80%, yearly increment of 5%, and seniority of 2%. Members are not allowed to consume or drink any intoxicant or liquor, etc. during the protest. You can do that in your own choice, in your own home. So members are strictly not allowed to create any nuisance or any problem that will disrupt the protest, because that will fall against us. And if any members found breaking the above terms and condition, they should be liable for their own sole act, and the association will not take any responsibility of such act. I know all of you are educated, all of you know the rules and regulation. Everybody, I hope you will follow these rules and regulation. And remember that we are here to fight for a common cause. We will definitely win. Kani ka sit in demonstration ka dibang ming pitsngo ya ka sarkar jungi bakan ay ka enhancement ka jungi ka bala diu mentala prasnem. Tirhoat kila jubat ya kata kila ong ban ay 100%. Kung ba play I mentanru ki group jungi kim tre ek 100% bangi ngimban siki leaders nilalong ka meeting men arpusau terik balada kim ay kata ka 100% yangi dengi ngim kidon na pleng jungi ngibro kim ngimya kwa hakatu singi dan ko ban rus pa angut tami ay tamba kiya ong bat ngimya kwa timentan rupla ihi daka khmat lajong bagini ki member jungi kimya kwa ay kata ka 100% namar kamlong justified show so nakata ka daw ni wan ban shong igani sit in demonstration bang ikwa ban pesngap ka sarkar ikwa ban pha ki jing dwai ki jing kerpat ki jungi ya ka sarkar bukan sngap lem ni ki jing ki jungi namar balai katkum ka jing kiyo ki mar ki mata ya kata ka ngihap shna ya kata ka price ya kata ka salary ke jongi 100% prasnem te kamsul ngatrai kamlong justified ke tinata ka daw ni sapoy bani shong ni tabangi ongro bangin abide by all the rules and regulation bala ai ya ka sarkar ini